Crypto billionaire 69 bang with another daily in-depth technical analysis. I have some my beautiful sisters right next to me. She's getting engaged, and heck yeah, she has a beautiful graduation from her good stuff she's been working on. She's gonna be a doctor, my friends, my beautiful friends. Let's get straight into the in-depth technical analysis. That doesn't matter. You guys came here for price action, baby. So we're gonna get into the charts. Check out the Patreon real-time buy and sell alert so you don't have to watch the charts at work. I do all the work for you. Okay, we are seeing some volume taper up at the moment. This is actually a really good thing. As we have reached these levels in the past, now we are a little bit below them. However, we did not see the volume that we are currently seeing right now. So this is a good sign that a potential floor is being created at the moment now. All of this, it really is just pegged on Bitcoin. So we really need to watch Bitcoin and watch the price. It was holding over that $30,000 level yesterday. However, it has broken back down into those 29,000s. We are in a consolidation range between these 31,403 levels, right around this area, and at the low end, these 27,810 levels. So we do need to watch this now. There is a wick stemming all the way back down to here, but that was, if we break through these 28,000 levels again, then we need to watch. Let's zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. I'll teach you guys how to look for support. Okay, see this here? That is our next level of resistance. Okay, why? It's because we saw a consolidation here. We saw some buyers and sellers competing, which means this is where the buyers and sellers will most likely compete again in the future. If it does come back down to these $24,000 levels, my friends, we are going to see discounted prices not only in Dogelon, but in every other coin in the market, just like we are seeing right now. And it is going to be a fear frenzy, my friends. But we need to be greedy while others are fearful, okay? Now, you've heard that 1,000 times probably, but the cliches are true. And it's about understanding why, okay? Why do we need to be greedy when other people are fearful? Because whenever everyone else is fearful, the big money is scooping in and getting controlling positions in all of these coins and even big stocks for the low price. So, and then what do they do after that? They pay off the media companies, which push it up, and it's just a rinse and repeat cycle we have seen for many decades. So, my friends, Crypto Bean is 69. Woo! Alright, let's get into these 2 hourly candles. I want to go in and show you guys what to look for. All you day trading beautiful people out there. Now, we are seeing a little consolidation, and I want to draw this fib level out because it looks like we are hitting these 0.5 levels almost. Okay, so it did come back down to these 0.681 levels. Now, this is for all your day traders, all right? This is a nice, healthy retracement. Okay, in consolidation, we are creating higher lows. We have retraced back down to these 0.618 levels and have continued to create those higher lows. So what do we need to see within the next? These are 2 hourly candles. Within the next day, we want to see it come back up and test these 5-3 levels, okay? Why? Why Crypto Billionaire 69? Why? All right. Why do we want to see it come up and test these 5-3 levels? All right. This is why. Because we want to see how it reacts. Now, is it going to bounce again? A bounce with major volume and selling pressure to the downside? Because, that's not a very bullish sign. Or is it going to hold and then bust through, or is it just going to bust through like this isn't even a resistance level? That is the most bullish sign. We have the most bullish, the neutral sign, and we have the most bearish sign. Now, if it does come back down, we need to watch this trend line to hold as support. So, let's say by tomorrow it goes up, comes back down. We need to watch around these 4-7 levels as a support. Okay, beautiful. If you want to learn how to identify support, candlesticks, all the basics that you need to know so that you can get better and get way more technical with your trading, you can look at any candlestick chart I am working on a free course. Yes, a free course for all you beautiful, beautiful people that want to take your trading to the next level. So check out, there's an application in the description. All who meet the criteria will be accepted, and I will reach out to you through email, so make sure you put your email if you have been accepted. This is a limited spots, and the spots are filling up. I advertised it last video, and we had multiple people already sign up for the course, so go ahead and do that if you are interested in learning how to identify basic technical analysis in the markets. My beautiful friends, I kind of got sidetracked there because I was thinking about the crypto fear and greed index. Crypto, let's check it real quick. There she is. Bada boom. It's worldwide. When I step in the room, we have seen extreme fear. Look at these. We hit the 9 levels last week. That's insane. All right, we haven't seen those levels in weeks, multiple weeks. Shoot, I don't even remember the last time we saw these levels, to be completely honest with you. Yeah, wow. This is awesome. Why is this awesome? Because everyone's getting scared right now. This is the overall sentiment. Extremely low. These are the times where you want to get in, okay? These are the times. These are the lowest possible prices that they are going to go, all right? Based on market sentiment, this is how the markets work. Everyone is doubting their decisions and their investments right now, and that's exactly what we want. Now, it might be immoral to capitalize on other people's downfalls, but unfortunately, that's how a capitalist society works. And I'm not complaining. I guess knowledge is power, and it's what you do with that knowledge that matters. So, my friends, right now would be a beautiful time to not only get in the Patreon so you don't have to worry about getting in and finding the best prices, but to also start averaging into your portfolio and not averaging fully. So you're risking every dime, right? You don't never want to have every dime on the table, because then you will become emotional, all right? Very important. You've heard this before, trade with money you're willing to lose, but it's very important. Now, the reason why you trade with money you're willing to lose is so you don't become emotional in the markets, and you can make wise decisions. Now, if you don't have experience, then all that goes out the window, and you need to get a mentor, and that's what I'm here for. Crypto being a 69 at your service. Anyways, let me draw out this fib level. These are the monthly candles, so each candle is 1 month. This is 1 month, this is 1 month, this is 1 month, this is 1 month. And you see what we are doing here? This is what happens when a new asset class takes off. This is going to be insane. If crypto becomes a worldwide asset class, like it already is, but continues to grow and emerge, and more use cases comes out. Now, it really just depends on, are we going to see Bitcoin? Will you be able to buy a Tesla with Bitcoin? Will you be able to buy a house with Bitcoin? Will you be able to go to the grocery store and use Bitcoin? If we can see practical uses like that in a day-to-day reality, then this asset class is going to insanely grow in a matter of time. Excuse my lack of words. I'm pretty tired at the moment, but you guys get the point, right? It's a matter of, because right now all crypto is it's backed on nothing. It's backed on what people say it's worth, and that's it. Now there can be certain use cases with NFTs, things like that, which can grant you access to certain amenities within different creators, or let's say a festival, things like that. And yes, by next year, Coachella even they even came out and said they're going to be using NFTs so that you can get into the festival, which is a huge step forward, because how do you get an NFT? You got to have crypto. So this is only going to expand the space. My friends, all that comes back to buying and holding. Like, if you are playing the long-term game, it is completely unreasonable to think that right now is a good time to sell your position for a loss. And instead, look for those buying opportunities and join the Patreon if you need help with that. Crypto being at 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I love you, beautiful people. I hope you're being safe and getting ready for this beautiful recession, because we're going to make a lot of money in this recession, especially all of you people who are wanting to trade futures. Yes, if you made it to the end of this video, I have a futures application. I am not going to put it in the description of this video, but we had multiple people sign up for that after I showed you guys that I made $153 and I think it was 78 cents in like 2 minutes on a video. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, because I will be posting more about that in the future. And the beautiful thing with futures is that whenever we go into a bear market, which we are in right now, you can profit off of these downturns, right? So it's extremely helpful to understand how to short a contract with futures. Now, it's completely different. It's not crypto. It's not stocks. It's futures. You're betting on a future price of a commodity. Yes, that's for a different video. Crypto being a 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video.